Hello everyone, welcome back. In this video, I'm going to show you how to connect Phemex to TradingView in 2026. Now, in order to do this, you first of all need to come here on tradingview.com. When you are here, you just have to simply open any of the charts in front of you, just like I did over here. On this particular page itself, you will see this trading panel option in the bottom left hand corner. Now, if it shows you only the first list of the brokers, you just have to click on the option of show all brokers so that it could show you all of the brokers that you can basically easily connect with your TradingView account. Now, since we want to connect Phemex, you just have to look for Phemex over here among these brokers list. Now, it will be very challenging. So you can use the search bar on the top right hand corner. Afterwards, when you type Phemex here, you will find its icon. When you click on this icon, simply click on the option of connect. Now it is going to redirect you on the login page of Phemex, where you just have to do nothing but to just provide your login credentials associated with your Phemex account. If prompted, you just have to basically allow TradingView to connect with your Phemex account. So once it is connected successfully, you will be able to buy and sell or punch your orders directly with the help of TradingView. So if this video helped you out, consider subscribing to the channel and liking the video. Thanks for watching.